Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your VIN and model year because software packages are specific. This prevents installing the wrong build. Once done, make sure the battery is healthy or plug in a charger to avoid interruption. Next, connect the car to strong Wi-Fi or have a wired USB with the downloaded update ready. This is how the system receives large files reliably. Start the infotainment system and navigate straight to the software update menu to initiate the transfer. You choose OTA for convenience or USB if network is unreliable. The car verifies VIN and package checksum to prevent corruption. Once you press install, do not power down the vehicle. Leaving ignition on keeps the system stable. Make sure you have at least 20 to 60 minutes free. Larger multi-module updates can take longer. While installing, watch the progress bar and system messages. These tell you when to expect reboots and when to resume normal vehicle functions. You complete the process by letting the system reboot fully. This finalizes module upgrades and restarts background services. Afterward, check settings software to confirm the installed version and test key features like navigation, phone calls, and driver assistance. If something seems off, selectively reset caches or Bluetooth pairs rather than factory resetting everything. If the update fails, note any error codes, retry using a USB installer, and if still unsuccessful, bring the car to a Volvo dealer for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.